All right, I want to talk about the half kneeling position. So here I'm showing you the half kneeling position this direction. And what I really want you to focus on here is notice kind of the angles in the body. So we see basically a 90-degree angle at the foot, okay, and then a 90-degree angle at the knee and a 90-degree angle at the hip. Those are the couple angles we want to hit. Now foot position may change a little bit, but realistically it's really close to 90. And now from here, you're also seeing a straight line from here. Knee, hip, and shoulder are all in a straight line. What that allows me to do is basically stack my joints so I can push down into the ground. If my hip is back, it's a lot harder to push down into the ground because now I'm moving. So if I go straight on, you'll see that a little bit of a different way. So here, knee, hip, shoulder, all straight down. And I'm actually actively pushing most of my weight into this leg. And I'm going to squeeze this glute. So if I rotate this way, if I don't squeeze that glute, I'm back here. Squeeze the glute and lock in. Now this hip is locked. It's not going anywhere. It's not going left, right, forward, or back. So from here, now I should always be able to pick this foot up. I don't want to be leaning forward into this front leg. I want to be able to have most of my pressure back here and pick up. And then that way, with my hips stacked, I can move on top of this stable base. Same thing with tall kneeling. We talk about concrete from here down. So once we find our position, we want to lock it and stay there. Last thing I want to mention is this back foot. Now, if we relax the back foot, it puts more onus on this front hip to stabilize because we just took a joint out of the equation. If we pull this foot back up, now this foot can push into the ground, makes this hip work a little bit less hard, which is okay. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. Me, I like to normally relax this back foot, make the hip do more of the work, and be able to push down into the ground and have a stable base to push on.